So Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to talk about Ciliophora, phylum Ciliophora. But before that, I'm going to show you guys the classification system first. So classification system consists of domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. But today I am going to more focus on phylum. Okay, so before we are going further to the phylum topic, as how I mentioned before, I am going to talk about the protista first. Okay, so protista consists of algae and protozoa, and algae is actually consists of phylum Chlorophyta, phylum Phaeophyta, while protozoa consists of phylum Euglenophyta, phylum Rhizopoda, phylum Ciliophora and also phylum Apicomplexa. But today I am going to focus on protozoa under phylum Ciliophora. Okay, so what is phylum Ciliophora? Phylum Ciliophora is actually a protista that is consists of ciliates and ciliophores. Phylum Ciliophora is actually living solitarily cells in fresh water, and one of the most common example for phylum Ciliophora is paramecium. Okay, so this is the shape of the paramecium. So paramecium is actually consists of food vacuole, pellicle, cilia, contractile vacuole and also micronucleus. Each of these organelles actually can perform its own activity. Okay, so first we are going to talk about the cilia. So they use cilia to move and feed, and the arrangement of the ciliates itself is already specifically adapted. So with the presence of ciliates, it has fixed body shape. Okay, so next we are going to talk about the pellicle. Pellicle is actually the inner wall of the paramecium. Okay, so pellicle is made up of the flexible protein, and it helps in protects and maintain the shape. Pellicle is made up of the numerous of trichosis, which it discharge the filaments and helps in aid in trapping prey. Paramecium is also holozoic, which means it ingests bacteria and small proteins. Okay, so the next characteristic of paramecium is when it feeds, the food particle will be swept into oral groove, down a gullet and incorporated into food vacuole. So this is the food vacuole, and when this happens, digestion will occur, where the soluble nutrient will be absorbed by the cytoplasm and the indigestible one will be eliminated at the anal pore. So the sixth characteristic is about the nuclei. So paramecium has two different nuclei, which is the macronucleus and the micronucleus. Okay, so macronucleus helps in controlling the cell growth and metabolism, while micronucleus is essential for generating genetic variation during sexual reproduction. And shockingly, in paramecium, it has up to 80 micronuclei. Last but not least, the characteristic of the paramecium is the contractile vacuole. This is the contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole helps in control water regulation, and also it expels the excess water from the paramecium. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for your time.